Hello, gentlemen. Hey, Dope. Looks like you're working really hard right now. Maybe you should have somebody just stole you from this side.
Let me make these boxes first.
Alright, guys. 100% sure you guys know what is going on right now. Your boy is back with another video. Thank you to everybody who let this happen. And by everybody, I mean, thank you to Daniel for letting me take some time off to make this video, because I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to put these car parts on my car, and today is finally the day. So you guys might be asking yourselves, what the heck is Johnny gonna be installing today? And I got a really dope set of products that we have here for my car. If you guys don't already know, I have a Ford Focus ST, and right now it's currently all pretty much stock. I do have a little bit of modifications that I've done to it so far. One of my favorites being this splitter, which you guys may or may not have already seen a video for, and obviously my pop tune, which is another video you guys maybe have seen. But yeah, right now what I got is TV Performance. It's actually a really dope guy named Danny, and what he does is he makes a lot of different performance products as far as like suspension components for Subarus, Crosstreks, and in this case a Ford Focus ST. And yeah, let's get to it. So these are just pretty much all the different products that Danny sent us for us to put on the Focus. But if you guys look at this, it's kind of hard to tell, but you guys can see the craftsmanship. These are some very high quality welds just right off the bat. And I mean, I'm really in love with the products, even the finish of them. It's like double coated powder coat, so it's not gonna be chipping or anything. And then right here, we actually have the rear arm bar here. We have the rear motor mount for the front of the car. Obviously this is the strut bar, which is probably what we're gonna be installing today. And then we have the front traction gusset, I believe it's called. And basically what these products do is these two help with traction, wheel hop, torque steer, all that crappy stuff that comes with the Focus ST. And these two help for suspension and making sure that the car rides super smooth when I'm turning in all the corners and stuff. So big thank you to Danny. I'm actually super excited that he went ahead and sent us all this cool stuff. I'm pretty excited to get started on the project. So enough talking, let's get dope over here and let's get started. All right, guys, so I already went ahead and loosened all of these bad boys here. So all you gotta do is just basically loosen these three bolts, which are holding your whole suspension setup and your strut or whatever. This is the piece that needs to come out, and that's the piece that the other TV Performance part is gonna replace. So yeah, just loosen all these. I actually already took the other side out, and they're already all loose. So I'm just gonna twist them off.
So what you're saying is you're gonna take off the three bolts that hold your actual strut bar on.
The stock one, yes. Which is not even a strut bar. It's just like a really crappy, like.
That's basically your strut bar.
Look, dude, I don't need your negativity in my life. Okay, so once you put these on, you're just gonna want to twist them on there. This product here comes with this little bracket here. So this bracket, you just want to put it basically where your old strut, the bolts on top go. This is just gonna go right on there, and it's gonna act as the receiver end, I guess you could call it, for the actual strut itself. So I already have it set up on this side. I'll just show you how I did it. So that's pretty much how it looks now, and this is gonna go and take its place. I'm just gonna lay it right here onto the holes and try to line it up as best as I can. And what I'm actually gonna do is I'm just gonna put one of the bolts, the stock ones, in, and I'm just gonna thread it on with my hands. Not gonna tighten it all the way, but this is basically just gonna act as kind of like my alignment pin. And then I'm actually gonna go ahead and put it all three in there. And then I just have to line the windshield wiper motor thingy to the tab on the bracket, and then we'll be all set. With this little nut here, that's gonna line behind this little guy right here, and that's gonna align the motor of the windshield wiper to the rest of the car. Something like that. So now we're at this point here, and what you're gonna want to do is put in one side, and then just work it, I guess, to the other side.
Just find that hole.
Find the hole, baby. So we kind of just sent it and did everything out of steps and out of order, and now we're facing the problems. It's on, but it's not on properly. So now Jack came to save the day as usual, and we're gonna hopefully get this to work. So Jack just unpooped this whole situation, and now it's gonna go on onto that. That one's already on. Does that have to come off, Jack?
No. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab your bracket, kind of set it in place, and then we're gonna eyeball it center to center on your bar and get the two end links to kind of the length where they should be. Drop it all together and tighten it up so you have some stiffness.
Nice. I always wanted to be stiff my whole life. I was never able to achieve stiffness. All right, guys.
Oh, sorry.
Continue.
Those things come out of nowhere, bro. You can't expect much of them, man.
All right, guys. So we pretty much got.
All right, guys. So we literally just put on that bar. We're closing it out now. I'm closing it for Johnny because he takes forever closing out. So here it is. That's how you install that. And we'll catch you next time. We're gonna install wherever the that is on the table right there.
Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. It was actually a lot of fun installing that front strut bar. It was a little difficult for me because it's obviously my first time doing it, but luckily I have a trained veteran at anything car part at this place. So shout out to Jack, but more so, shout out to Danny over at TB Performance. They send me a lot of products, and I really want to just go ahead and thank them because, I mean, all this stuff is stuff that I've been wanting for a super long time. Meeting the owner of TB Performance and stuff, he's a really dope guy. So if you guys do have the time, go and check out their Instagram, TB Performance Products, and just go leave a premium fam, and we'll see if we can do a dope giveaway or something, maybe a banner, maybe something on our end. But yeah, big shout out to him. I'm gonna go try this out, and I'm sure I'm gonna get some dope results. But anyway, see you guys in the next one.